Hello and welcome back to my English classes. I hope you are safe at home, taking care of yourself. Thank you for your subscriptions, your comments in a positive way. Please do like and share my channel, my English classes. Now today we are going to see from the Sparrow book of class 8 lesson 4, Dr. Kalam's childhood. We know that who was Dr. Abdul Kalam. Okay, so he was the president of India from 2002 to 2007. Now first I will read the paragraph and then according to the paragraph I'll keep on explaining the chapter. Abdul Kalam is also known as the missile man of India. He was a former president of India. In this chapter, we will talk about his childhood and education in Rameshwaram. A very child is born with some inherited characteristics and trained in certain ways by figures of authority. Inherited means जो हमें अपने परिवार से मिलता है, जो हमारे पेरेंट्स से हमको मिलता है. Okay. I inherited honesty and self-discipline with my mother. Now Abdul Kalam ji is telling about his childhood himself, and he is saying that he received honesty and self-discipline from his father, and from his mother he received faith in goodness and deep kindness, and so did my three brothers and a sister. Means he said this, that he received goodness and kindness from his mother, and his three brothers and one sister also received the same thing. But it was the time to spend with Jalaluddin and Samuddin that perhaps contributed most into the uniqueness of my childhood and made all the difference in my life later. Means who was Jalaluddin and Samuddin? The friends of Abdul Kalam ji. The natural wisdom of Jalaluddin and Samuddin was an intuitive and responsive to non-verbal messages. Intuitive means having the ability to understand things. जैसे कभी कभी होता है ना, कुछ चीज़ें हम नहीं समझ पाते हैं, but they have given that. And non-verbal messages means messages which are communicated without words, जैसे इशारों में जो समझते हैं. That I can inhesitably may that my later creativity owes to a lot to their influence on me in my child. Means intuitive and non-verbal messages, kindness, faithfulness, self-discipline, all this has helped me in my later years. I had three close childhood friends, Ramananda Shastri, Aravindan and Shiva Prakashan. All these boys were from orthodox families, Hindu Brahmin families. Orthodox means traditional. As children, one of us never felt any difference amongst ourselves because of our religious differences and upbringing. बचपन में क्या था? They were like same. They don't know about this, that I am from Hindu family, I am from Muslim family or from the other religion family. They treat each other same. In fact, Ramananda Shastri was the son of Pakshi Lakshmana Shastri, the high priest of Rameshwaram temple. Later, he took over the priesthood of Rameshwaram temple from his father. Means Ramananda took the same work of his father. Aravindan went into the business of arranging transport for visiting pilgrims, and Shiva Prakashan became a catering contractor for the Southern Railways. Another friend, Aravinda, went into the business of transport, and Shiva Prakashan became chartering contractor in Southern Railways. On the whole, The small society of Rameshwaram was very rigid in terms of the segregating of different social groups. Segregating means separations, means because it was a backward area, so people used to take it in other ways. स्मॉल छोटी छोटी चीज़ों पे, रिलीजन को लेके, पानी को लेके सबको झगड़ा होता था. However, my science teacher Shiva Subramanya, though an orthodox Brahmin, was something of a rebel. वो थोड़े से चिड़चिड़े टाइप के थे. He did his best to break such barriers so that people from varying backgrounds could mingle easily. Mingle means mix हो जाना. His teacher tried to remove all these orthodox things, segregations from the social groups, and he wanted everyone to mix with each other. He used to spend hours with me and would say, Kalam, I want you to develop so that you are on par with the highly educated people of the big cities. Par means equal level. He said this, that the teacher of Kalam said this, that he want to develop means he want to make himself that type of a person जो इन सब चीज़ों को दूर कर सके and can go to other cities. When the Second World War was over, India's freedom was imminent. Imminent means about to happen. Indians will build their own India, declared Gandhiji. Means India will not come in the lower category, they will develop themselves. The whole country was filled with an unprecedented optimism. Unprecedented optimism means never before hopefulness and confidence. They were full of confidence. I asked my father's permission to leave Rameshwaram and study at the district headquarters in Rameshwaram. Now here Kalamji asked his father, took the permission to go outside for further studies. He told me as if thinking aloud, Abdul, I know you have to go away to grow. Means his father knew that. He said this, that I know that you want to go out for further studies. Does the seagull not fly across the sun? Now he says, he gave a phrase item that क्या सीगल बाहर नहीं जाती है सन के पास. Alone and without a nest, you must forego your longings for the land of your memories to move into the dwelling place of your greater desires. Forego means do without. Means Kalamji's father said this, that you must go and learn more, educate yourself, land of your memories to move. Means you create the memories for your future about your further studies outside Rameshwaram. Out of love will not bind you, nor will our needs hold you. Means he said this, that हमारी जो desires है, हमारा प्यार तुमको नहीं रोकेगा. You can go and establish yourself. He quoted Khalil Gibran to my hesitant mother. Hesitant means reticent mother. Your children are not your children. Means he said this, he quoted about this thing, that आपके बच्चे नहीं है. They are the sons and daughters of life longing for itself. Means वो खुद के लिए है. They come through you but not from you. You may give them your love but not your thoughts. उन्होंने क्या समझाया कि आप उनको प्यार दे सकते हैं, लेकिन उनके विचारों को आप नहीं दे सकते. उनके विचार आप विचारों को नहीं दे सकते. उनके विचार खुद के विचार हैं. For they have their own thoughts. He took me and my 3 brothers to the mosque and recited the prayer, Al-Fatiha from the Holy Quran. Now he took all his 4 sons to mosque and say the prayers. As he put me on the train to Rameshwaram station, he said, this island may be housing your body but not your soul. Means वो कह रहे थे कि ये आइलैंड जो है वो तुम्हारा घर है, घर बॉडी के लिए घर है, लेकिन नॉट योर सोल. योर सोल dwells in the house of tomorrow, which none of us at Rameshwaram can visit, or not even in our dreams. He says this that in other words he tried to motivate him. उसको दबाने की कोशिश नहीं की कि नहीं नहीं तुम मत जाओ, no you're not, you will stay with us. No, he gave him an open chance to move out for his further life. Samsudeen and Ahmad Jalaluddin travelled with me at Ramanathapuram to enroll me in Sedgwick's High School and to arrange for my boarding there. Now his friend Samuddin and Jalaluddin went in with him. Enroll means write the name on the list, to see the name. Somehow I did not take to the new setting. Means उनके फ्रेंड्स जो थे उन सेटिंग कराए, उनकी लॉजिंग कहाँ वो रहेंगी सब करा, बट ही वॉज नॉट कम्फर्टेबल in the present time. The town of Ramanathapuram was a thriving town of some 50,000 people. Thriving means, grew rich means there were about 50,000 people, but the order and the harmony of Rameshwaram was absent. Means रामेश्वरम उसके आगे कहीं नहीं रुका, मतलब नहीं स्टैंड करता है. I missed my home and grabbed every opportunity to visit रामेश्वरम. ग्रैब्ड मीन्स ले लेना, टुक, ठीक है. सो जब भी उसको उनको मौका मिलता था वो दौड़ के रामेश्वरमपुरम आ जाते थे. दौड़ के मीन्स ही ट्रैवल्ड मैनी टाइम्स फ्रॉम रामेश्वरम टू रमनाथपुरम. The pull of education opportunities educational opportunities at Ramanathapuram was not strong enough to make me forget the attraction of puli, a southern Indian sweet my mother made. Means he had got many opportunities, good opportunities, educational opportunities at Ramanathapuram, but he was not able to forget the sweet poli which was made by his mother. In fact, she used to prepare 12 distinct different varieties of it, bringing out the flavor of every single ingredient used in the best possible combination. Means his mother used to make poli in 12 different flavors and all were very good. Despite of homesickness, I was determined to come to terms with the new environment because I knew my father had invested great hopes in my success. जैसे होता है ना, हम हॉस्टल जाते हैं या हम कई दिनों के लिए अपने नानी नाना के यहाँ जाते हो तो अपने पेरेंट्स को मिस करते हैं इफ़ दे आर नॉट देयर. इन द सेम वे ही वॉज ऑल्सो मिसिंग हिज होम, बट उसने अपने आप को तैयार किया बिकॉज हिज फादर हैड ग्रेट होप्स फ्रॉम हिज सक्सेस. My father visualized me as a collector in the making, and I thought it my duty to realize my father's dream. Means he said this, that my father wanted me to become a collector and I have to do hard work to become a collector to fulfill the dream of my father. Although I desperately miss the familiarity, desperately means to great extent, security and comforts of Rameshwarampuram. Jalaluddin used to speak to me about the power of positive thinking. Positive thinking means अच्छी तरीके से हाँ के रूप में चीज़ों को देखना. And I often recalled his words when I felt homesick and dejected. Means Jalaluddin used to speak in a positive way. जब भी वो अपने घर को मिस करते थे, he used to recall the thought, the ideas, the words of Jalaluddin. I tried hard to do as he said, which was to strive to control my thoughts and my mind, and through these means the words of Jalaluddin was in a positive way was to control his thoughts and mind towards his home. to influence my destiny, to achieve my destiny. Ironically, that destiny did not lead me back to Rameshwaram, but rather swept me farther away from home of my childhood. Means the thoughts, the ideas, the positive thinking of Jalaluddin helped me to stay in Ramanathapuram and achieve whatever he wanted to achieve. And the words of Jalaluddin had gave him comfort to and made him to move more away from his home. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.